No noose this time. I'll remove your head myself! You are nothing but a tyrant! First one's iron! You will pay for that! First one's iron! Kneel! First one's iron! Destruction! Desolation. Solstice of pain. You are hunted. Fang, tooth, and claw. Tortured under the moon. The pack suffered but endured. And howled now in tune. No tales were told. None new, none old. And the endless hunger grew ever stronger. Chilling frost. I smell your blood. And I am ravenous. Freezing gale. Solstice of pain. I will take out your heart. Freezing gale. As night falls, winter's chill, sought the unworthy, through an endless night, they wither and tarry, forsaken frosts, as cold as death, of Bear's misery, the pack won't forget. Solstice of pain. I will take out your heart and savor its bite. Chilling frost. Chilling frost. I smell your blood, and I am ravenous. Desolation. Allow me to clear your mind, if only for a moment.
The madness. It consumed my being. Oriana used it against me.
Where has she taken the beast?
I found messages from the desert.
From the Vastiri?
Yes. Find her. Kill her. But first, please, stop the madness.
As you wish. We must make haste. Let us return to Clearfell to make our preparations.